everyone, Luna here. Today, we'll use geometry nodes to create a microscopic nano flower material with adjustable shapes. Let's dive right into the process. First, delete all objects, clear unused data, create a new cube, and set up a geometry node modifier. Press Shift+A to add nodes, or use the shortcut Shift+Z. Create a sphere, increase its subdivisions, this will be our base shape. Next, create a grid, set its size to 0.5, and reduce its subdivisions to 2. Adding a subdivision surface modifier will turn it into a near-circular shape. Now, we'll instance these disks onto the sphere. Their orientation looks not good. To fix this, we'll adjust their rotation. Add a normal node to align each disk's y-axis to the sphere's normals, this gives us a base rotation. Then, use a rotate rotation node to rotate each disk along its local y-axis. Applying uniform rotation won't work well, so we'll use a random value node to add variation. Now we have our initial structure, but it looks too flat and thin, defying the true appearance. Next, we'll deform each disk using a for each element loop. Since these are currently instances, we first need to convert them to real geometry. We'll use noise to control positional offsets, map the noise through a map range node, then adjust its strength with vector math. Switch the noise to 4D and connect the instance index to its W value. This ensures unique distortion for each petal. I forgot this step earlier, so be sure to try it. Now, let's add thickness to the model. Extrude the mesh, combine it with the original geometry, and merge overlapping vertices. For better results, flip the normals of the original faces, especially if you plan to subdivide later. Set the model to smooth shading and apply materials. Opening the shader editor, you'll see I've already loaded an HDR for base lighting. For the petals, create a geometry node to assign varying brightness per mesh island, then apply a ramp node for coloring. Finally, set up lights and a camera. Then render the final image. That's how you create nano flowers. If you have questions, please leave a comment below, I'll respond promptly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.